Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirajana from Leotales, and today on the first day of March itself we have Frizeal. As you know, Frizeal is a jewelry plus lifestyle subscription. They have 3 editions every month: a Shimmer Mini at 600, Shimmer at 900 and Glitz at 1500. And today we will be unboxing the Shimmer edition at 900, and I have a coupon code for you, LEOFZ5, with which you can get a 5% discount on all the 3 variants as well. Now the subscription is a personalized one, especially for jewelry, so all the options would be listed at the end of the video. So this was how the courier packaging reached me. Shipping was pretty quick and safe, and once I open, I have all the products and jewelry separately packed up. So let's see what we have in the Shimmer edition and let's see if it is worth it. Before getting officially started with the unboxing, let's take a moment and appreciate the beautiful packaging of an info card. This is like a glass bottle with a cork. I'm getting all these lost in an island vibes, and so pretty, and I really like it. Oh, it's like a keychain. Okay, so we have a Eiffel Tower charm here, and inside that we have, so here we have the paper. It says, thank you, your discount code is LEOFRIZ5, 5% discount on all the subscriptions. Okay, that is nice, which we've already discussed. And then other paper inside it, it is like a decorative piece because this completes the look of it. And I cannot tell you how much I love this. Probably the most thoughtful way of sending in the discount code, and I'm storing this. Maybe I can use it as a keychain as well, I'm not sure, but I really appreciate what Pallavi has done with the packaging here. Very, very cute. So now let's get started. So here is everything in the Frizeal Shimmer edition for the month of March, and kindly ignore the noise. There is some construction work going on outside. So we'll start with the clutch, because that is like, the bag is usually the most interesting part of Frizeal if you ask me, after the jewelry. So this is the clutch that I got in my Shimmer bag, and there are 2 color choices, this and I think a white one. The quality of this one, as usual in every other Frizeal bag, it is extremely good. The design is also very pretty. It is very sturdy, and it has a magnetic lock. And once you open it, this is a single rope, but then there are certain places where you can keep your cards. So that is good. Usually it doesn't happen that way in slings. And also it is like a sleeve. It comes with an attached sling. You can use it as a sling bag or as an evening party clutch, whichever way you want. Very good quality bag, and also very sleek and something that you can easily carry. So I really like this one. Quality is good. The design is also very unique. So that is the first product in my Frizeal. Moving on to the second product without the jewelry, we have something inside this, and it is a photo frame. So let's open up and see. So this is how the frame looks like. It's a classy black frame. I wouldn't say it's a glossy finish. It is more like a matte finish. The tube light is getting reflected on the same. The size is also pretty good. You can easily keep it on a table, and a very classy design. I'm not a fan of frames that have golden designs and all. I like it to be very plain, like white or black or brown, but matte finish. And this is how the back side of the frame looks like. So this is pretty nice. A very simple addition, and something that everyone can use, not something that will just be a cute product without much usage. So I really like the addition of the frame. Now we have the jewelry pieces left behind, as well as the skincare product in this box. So it is good that instead of just wrapping it up and putting it in a car, Frizeal gives a box. So for storage purpose, maybe the jewelry itself, or for storing anything else, I can use this box. So here is how everything is packed inside. Let's open up and see one by one. The first product in the box is the skin moisturizer from Dibel, and it is the blueberry burst variant. There is also a green tea variant. I think this is common for all the 3 boxes. And for refreshing feel and radiant glow, I'm getting 80 ml of the product here. I have seen the reviews, but I've never used the Dibel products. All the ingredients are listed here, and the price of this one is 225 rupees. Being a body lotion fan and also being a fruit fan, I really wanted to try the blueberry variant. So this is how it looks. The fragrance is very pleasant, blueberry, not a typical blueberry, but a floral fruity kind of fragrance, and it is so soft on skin. I really like the fragrance. I like the fact that a new brand is added. I have seen reviews of the brand, but I have not seen Dibel being featured in any boxes before. So I really appreciate the fact that Frizeal introduces newer brands in boxes. It is very soft, and as you can see, not very oily or greasy. Nice. It feels nice. My skin feels soft, and it has a can't identify the fragrance, but it is a very familiar fragrance for me. Looks like I will love Dibble. So I really like this one. Skin moisturizer, I'm not sure if you can use it for face, but I believe I'll be using it for body as a very good moisturizer. Irrespective of the weather conditions, it will be good. So that is the first product. There is also a special promo code from Dibble, and you can use the code SPECIAL10 to get a 10% off on the website. The website link is here, so I will be putting it in the description box as well. Next, we'll move on to the jewelry pieces, and first up I have here is a neck piece. As you know, Frizeal being personalized, you have options. I'll be listing all the options, so you can check that out. So this is the neck piece that I picked, and I cannot tell you how pretty this is. And we have been receiving almost the same kind of necklaces in subscription boxes all the time, you know, the boho one and all. I was getting a bit tired of it actually, but Frizeal every time brings in such unique designs. And this time again, Frizeal has not disappointed me at all. I really love the pattern, and it is like a marble-like design with green and blue and pink. Such a beautiful color combination. And this is how the neck piece looks like. The pattern is very elegant. I really like it. It has a touch of boho, but still it's nice. And this is how the closure is. You can adjust it as per length, like as a long chain or as something near your neck, or like something like a short necklace. Any way you want, you can wear it. I very much loved the neck piece. So this is my first jewelry piece, and just as how I saw in the picture, the neck piece is beautiful. The second jewelry piece that I received is an earrings. Again, this is what I chose, and I like the design. Again, a unique pattern. There are many patterns available. You have studs, you have I think a little heavy drops, but this is quite huge, but it is not very heavy. So that is what I like about these earrings the most. And this is how the red side of it looks like. It gives me that I don't know, that white design. It's very unique. I have never really seen such a pattern in earrings. It gives me that, I don't know, some Mughal vibes or something. I really don't know if that is the case. So it's a nice design. Again, a unique design which I don't have already, and I really like the earrings. So this is my second jewelry piece. And this is the third jewelry piece that I picked, and I went with a ring, and it looks very pretty. I thought it was a little bigger, but it is not, and this is, I think, the correct size. Good that it is not big. It is also an adjustable ring, so that is good because I have like chubby hands. So it's very pretty. I think that's a white color also. I really love this color. The multicolor looks very pretty, and it's a nice ring. It doesn't look over the top, but still looks very beautiful. So this is the third jewelry piece that I picked, and I kind of picked the earrings, a neck piece, and a ring. Completed the look of the month kind of thing. So this is these are all the jewelry pieces. Now moving on, we have something else in the box. So this is everything I got in my March Shimmer edition of Frizeal, and I really liked what I received. I like the fact that I could pick three different jewelry pieces, and also it is customized as per my taste. There are lots of designs to choose from, and also skincare brand that I have not tried before. A good sized photo frame, and also a very good quality clutch, and also all the jewelry comes in a storage box. So I really liked Frizeal, and it has not disappointed me this time as well. The quality of each product is very good, be it jewelry or skincare or bag or whatever that is. And also shipping was quick. There is no extra shipping charges. Overall, I really liked Shimmer, and this is a good gifting option also. So if you really love quality products, but also don't want to compromise on the quantity as much, then Frizeal is a good option for you. You can check out the Glitz as well as the Shimmer Mini, whichever that suits your budget. So I would definitely recommend Frizeal March edition to you guys. So that's it for today's video. We will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So this is what we have in the Shimmer Mini: a flower sling bag, a moisturizer, and 2 trendy jewelry pieces for 600. And these are the flower slings which you can choose. And for Shimmer, which we already discussed in the video, 3 jewelry pieces, and dowel, and a hand clutch, and a frame. And for March Glitz, we have party sling bag, a moisturizer, 4 trendy jewelry pieces, and a photo frame. And this is the extra jewelry piece that you'll be receiving, which is unique to the Glitz edition. You can pick one of these designs. And these are the jewelry designs that are common for all the 3 variants.